This tutorial is the configuration tutorial. It goes over how to set the options for the program. To set the options, go to Tools, Options, and you'll see the Options dialog appear. The first option is Startup. You can automatically have the program check for web updates, which we recommend. You can also have the program automatically load your last project every time it opens. There's a section for file locations. It will tell the program where you keep projects and templates. Under Navigator, you can set the default Navigator setup, and you can also turn on and off the configure bar. Under the New Projects section, you can set whether you want to input financial statements in chronological or reverse chronological order. In other words, do you want to start with the most recent year or the latest year of financial statements? Remember, this is a one-time setting. Once you set this for a project, you can't reverse it. Normally, you'll want to input all your financial statements the same way. By default, it's reverse chronological. If you want to switch it to chronological, switch the chronological button. In every project you create from this point forward, the financial statements will be input in chronological order. Under the Report section, there's a number of options. The first is File Locations. It's the default location for both reports and templates. Under the General section, there's a couple of Update command options. By default, the Remove Spaces and Ignore Empty Cell Errors are on. The date format in the report is also defaulted. However, you can change it to any date format you want. Under the Workbook section, there's a default folder for workbooks. You can also change the Navigator view order. You can make it the same as Excel or alphabetical. You can also turn on and off the configure bar. The library options allow you to select the folder where your default libraries are kept. There's also a number of options for the Navigator. And once again, you can show or hide the configure bar. This is the end of the configuration tutorial.